my shooting stars align. And I've been waiting all these seasons for rain to make our lives feel even. And now I've never seen a better sign. 'Cause baby, what you say could make or break my day. Baby, what you say could make or break
21 gün boyunca yapmanızı beklediğimiz handstandinizi, kol dengelerinizi kuvvetlendirecek, karın kaslarınızı, kor bölgesini
my
kuvvetlendirecek.
shoulder, but I'll be grateful just to hold you. 'Cause I love to spend time with such a dime.
Neredeydi o? Evet, şurada. Yaptığımız bir sözleşme vardı. Türk Hava Yolları'nı alalım mesela. Türk Hava Yolları'nda bir sözleşmemiz var. Bu sözleşmenin büyüklüğü ne kadar arkadaşlar? Sözleşme büyüklüğü.
Call me when you're free and we can start our
Baktığınız zaman arkadaşlar,
party. So let's go live it up like it's 1999. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like to know what you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, and I'm not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Tell me everything, like how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversation.
Never been to California, never been to LA. So I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. Our friends are getting married, they're all settling down. So I lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And you kill seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville. Was staying here the right call, and it's all